For transport section of the itinerary, we'll begin with Arusha, where we'll schedule an airport transfer from JRO Airport to the client's hotel on day 1. Next, we'll add safari vehicles for the overland portions of the trip. On each section, you are able to tick an extra day for the transport. That extra day is useful if you need an empty vehicle transfer. For example, if the vehicle needs to travel back without guests. Here's how the standard safari vehicle allocation typically looks like. Day 2. Vehicle in Manyara. Day 3. Vehicle in Tarangaya. Days 4, 5, and 6. Vehicle in Serengeti Central. On day 7, since the guests are flying back, we don't need a vehicle with them, so we'll remove that tick and instead add an empty vehicle, if required, for repositioning. Now let's add the flight back to Arusha. We'll select a scheduled air transfer from Serenera, in the Serengeti, to Arusha. You can select a specific airline if needed, or simply choose all airlines to show broader availability. Once that's done, we'll add the final transfers in Arusha. From Arusha Airport to the hotel, and then from the hotel back to JRO Airport for departure. With that, we've now completed all the transport arrangements, flights, road transfers, and safari vehicles are all in place for the itinerary. Click Next to move on to park fees.